Hello and welcome to this motion study video for a manual meat grinder brought to you by Sputnik 2. My name is Mohammed and I'm here with my colleague Abdul Wahab, and together we will be taking a closer look at the different parts of this machine and their function. The reason we chose this particular meat grinder is that we believe it is a great representation of the concepts covered in our course. Furthermore, this machine was readily available to us, which made it easier for us to take accurate measurements of the different parts using a vernier caliper. So without further ado, let's dive in and explore the various components of this manual meat grinder.
Let's start with the closing face ring. This is an important component that helps hold the grinding plate in place. It fits securely and tightly to prevent any meat from escaping during the grinding process. The ring is made of metal and has a diameter of 95 mm. Next we have the grinding plate, which is responsible for grinding the meat to the desired texture. All the holes on the plate have a diameter of 5 mm. The plate is made of high quality metal and has a diameter of 80 mm. The blade knife is an important component that works with the grinding plate to cut and grind the meat. It is made of durable stainless steel and has a sharp edge that can easily cut through different types of meat. The knife has a diameter of 52 mm.
The helix shaft is a crucial component that drives the grinding plates and helps pushing the meat through the grinder. It is made of durable stainless steel with a diameter of approximately 25 mm and a length of 120 mm. The helix itself is a spiral-shaped blade with a pitch around 2 cm, and it is designed to grind the meat and slice it effectively.
The body of the grinder contains a hopper, clamp, and the main body. The hopper is where the meat is inserted, and the clamp holds the grinder securely to the platform while in use. The main body houses the grinding mechanism and provides stability during operation. The body is made of durable metal and has a height of 24 mm, a width of 100 mm, and depth of 160 mm. Moving to the metal handle. This is a sturdy component, provides a comfortable grip for the user, and efficient rotation for the helix shaft. The handle is made of metal and has a length of 170 mm. Lastly, the manual meat grinder includes one eave screw of the clamp and one eave screw for the handle. These screws provide stability and support to keep the grinder in place during use. They are made of metal and are easy to tighten and loosen as needed. And finally, let's take a look at the grinding mechanism of the machine.
Now that we understand the mechanism of the meat grinder and how it processes the meat, it is important to understand how it will deal with the stresses resulting from the grinding process. And for that we created a simple simulation by SolidWorks. Our simulation reveals that most of the stresses were concentrated on the handle, shaft and the base, and that is reasonable for a simple machine like this.